How to get Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to basically get Amazon Prime, which is the whole Prime subscription, which includes Prime Video, Prime Music, Prime Edition and so on, all you have to do is simply launch your Safari browser here. Once you launch your Safari browser, go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. So I'll make sure to drop a link below, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. Once you've done this, you're gonna land on this page where if you haven't already, you can tap the login option to log into your free Amazon account where you want to get the Prime subscription. Once you've done that, now you can just tap the start your free 30-day trial option, and as you do that, all you have to do is simply make sure to add your credit or debit card if you'd like. Once you basically make sure to add your credit or debit card and enter your payment details, you'll be able to successfully get Amazon Prime. This way you'll be able to get Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.